Understanding the upfront costs of buying an SBLC. In today's complex financial landscape, businesses often require additional assurances to secure transactions, particularly in international trade. Standby letters of credit, SBLCs, have emerged as a popular instrument providing such assurance, offering a guarantee of payment to a beneficiary should the applicant fail to fulfill their contractual obligations. However, acquiring an SBLC involves various upfront costs that buyers should thoroughly understand before proceeding. What is an SBLC? An SBLC is a financial instrument issued by a bank on behalf of a client, serving as a secondary payment mechanism should the client default on their contractual obligations. Essentially, it assures the seller that they will receive payment, thus reducing the risk associated with the transaction. Upfront costs. Issuance fee. Banks charge an issuance fee for creating an SBLC, which typically ranges from 1% to 10% of the SBLC's face value. The exact amount depends on factors such as the issuing bank's policies, the duration of the SBLC, and the perceived risk associated with the transaction. Collateral requirement. In many cases, banks require the buyer to provide collateral to secure the SBLC. This collateral can be in the form of cash, securities, or other assets. The value of the collateral is often equivalent to the face value of the SBLC or a percentage thereof. This collateral serves as security for the bank in case the buyer defaults. SWIFT transmission fee. SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, is the messaging network used by banks to securely transmit financial information. When issuing an SBLC, banks typically charge a fee for transmitting the SBLC via the SWIFT network. Legal fees. Engaging legal counsel to review and draft the SBLC agreement is crucial to ensure that all parties understand their rights and obligations. Legal fees vary depending on the complexity of the transaction and the extent of legal review required. Bank charges. Banks may levy additional charges for various services related to the SBLC, such as amendment fees, confirmation fees, if the SBLC requires confirmation by another bank, and handling fees. Renewal fees. SBLCs often have a limited validity period, typically ranging from 6 months to several years. If the buyer wishes to extend the SBLC's validity beyond its initial term, renewal fees may apply. Considerations. Negotiation. Buyers should explore the possibility of negotiating fees with the issuing bank to potentially reduce upfront costs. Risk assessment. Assessing the risks associated with the transaction is essential to determine whether the benefits of acquiring an SBLC outweigh the associated costs. Alternative options. Buyers should consider alternative instruments or financing solutions that may offer similar benefits at a lower cost. Conclusion. While SBLCs provide valuable assurances in international trade transactions, buyers must carefully evaluate the upfront costs involved. Understanding these costs and their implications is crucial for making informed decisions and effectively managing financial resources. By conducting thorough due diligence and exploring negotiation opportunities, buyers can navigate the complexities of SBLC procurement more effectively and mitigate unnecessary expenses.